Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create circle infographic with 6 options. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert circle shape. Make it 6 centimeters. Then duplicate circle and make it 3 centimeters. Select both the circle, and align center, and middle. Then remove outline for both the circle, and add white fill to the inner circle. Duplicate the circle and add outline with no fill. Align that to the center and middle to the slide. Make that circle bigger with size 15 centimeters. Select the 2 small circle, group. Align that to the top of the big circle. Group it. Duplicate the circle 6 times. And place that in its original position. Select each circle, and rotate it by holding Shift key, so that the rotation will snap automatically. Repeat the process for the rest of the circle. Select all, ungroup. Delete the bigger circles. Select slide 1 and duplicate the slide using Ctrl and D. Go to slide 1. Duplicate any circle and align it to the middle, center of the slide. Make it little big so that it overlaps half with the surrounding circles. Duplicate the circle 6 times. And align that in its original position. Select the surrounding circles, and subtract that with the middle big circles one by one, using merge shapes, subtract. By mistake I have added one additional circle, so I deleted it. Select all the inner white circles and add shadow. Add gradient colors to all the outer circles. Duplicate the slide 1. Go to slide 2. Fragment this 2 shapes using merge shape. Fragment. Copy this portion to the first slide. Paste it. Change the color by picking the nearest color using Pick tool. Again select all the inner white circle and bring to front. Now add shadow to the outer circles. Add text and icons. We done with our layout creation. You can also further enhance. Select all the inner shapes and duplicate that, and place in its original position. Decrease the size little. Now select the icons and text and bring to front. You can also add the subtext using the line style. You can use this layouts to show repeated process or journey, key highlights, steps, etc. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.